2025年法律年度開啟典禮喺愛丁堡廣場同大會堂舉行。終審法院首席法官張舉能檢閱警察儀仗隊。張舉能致辭嘅時候話，隨住香港國安法嘅引入，以及根據基本法第23條制定嘅本地法律相繼實施，出現咗一啲因為政治敏感而備受關注嘅案件。但係有必要理解法庭審理國家安全案件同其他案件都係採取相同嘅法律原則。
The protection of basic rights is not a simplistic one-dimensional issue. It often involves a delicate balancing act between individual freedoms and collective security, between the rights of the person and the responsibilities of the state. Striking the right balance can be challenging, and outcomes in individual cases may be contentious at times. Nor is the interpretation or application of newly enacted statutory provisions always straightforward. However, it is one thing to disagree with a legal provision or a court decision in applying it, but entirely another to suggest that the justice system has been undermined by political expectations or societal atmosphere. Judges, far from being designed to serve political ends, are bound by legal principles. Courts are not arbiters of public opinion, nor are they an extension of the prosecution authority. They are, above all, guardians of the law.
張舉能話：從宏觀角度睇，國家安全案件只係佔法庭工作一小部分。又話終審法院海外非常任法官離任嘅情況，引起部分人士關注，係可以理解。
Indeed, the orchestrated harassment and pressures to which some of our overseas judges have recently been subjected are as deplorable as they are indicative of how politicized the office of an overseas non-permanent judge on the court has now become. And it is this broader context, reflective of the underlying geopolitical tensions, that must inform an impartial observer's understanding of the current situation. It is unfortunate that a few of these judges have felt unable to continue their service. They are, of course, entitled to their views, and their decisions ought to be respected. Still, the Court of Final Appeal continues to include both highly esteemed overseas and local non-permanent judges, and their continued participation alongside their full-time colleagues speaks to the enduring strength and resilience of the court. The presence or absence of individual judges, whilst important in its own right, will not undermine the integrity of the system.
律政司司長林定國致辭嘅時候話，外國知名法官參與終審法院嘅工作，唔單止香港受惠，對所有普通法適用地區都有好處。
It's most regrettable that there were attempts made from overseas to exert improper pressures on foreign judges to dissociate themselves from the Hong Kong court. These attempts pose a threat to not only the rule of law in Hong Kong, but also the development of common law in general. The government is in full support of the judiciary and has continuous efforts to appoint and retain foreign MPJs in future.